now we got it back on.
What?
By turn the light on.
Uncle Jamie's what?
Ooh, look at the slime now. It's glittery.
For what? Help. They have to go get a part. Are you guys going to get the part?
Here. Look at her glittery slime now. And,
Oh my god.
and her.
This somehow got on my hands.
Ooh, and that slime. Red slime. It looks like orange, but it's actually red.
Dad, look at this.
Oh!
Oh my god.
I know, he's mixing it in.
Good. There's yours. Hold on. I'll come back to get mine a little bit. Are you going to mix it all the way in?
Yeah, but I have to somebody hold this. Everybody hold it. Here.
Hold on.
Here, hold on.
I'll just sit right there. Okay.
Here,
I'll just mix this in. Ready? Ready for the master?
Wait, ready? Just mix it in.
Oh, it's red now.
I like it.
No, it has red strips. Oh, thank you, Bobby.
Mix it in.
It's going to be red.
No, it's not.
It's going to be orange.
Let them see it. Stop moving around. It's going to be pink.
No.
Yes, it is.
It's gonna be a light color.
Let them see it.
Here was that
Let me make me some.
You can't make no more unless you give me a little bit of your slime.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, I'm not going to do it right now.
Oh, you cannot come in the front room while I'm doing it.
I'm sorry. I fell asleep.
Can you make me a little bit more? Maybe.
Make
Hold on.
this much.
Kai, you want to help me?
Here, actually make that much.
No one. Oh, yours is going to look pretty because it's going to be sparkly, snowy red. Someone's going to look like pure blood.
Ooh, you better stop lying.
Oh!
Bubby took some of my slime
I'll
and
help
made
you
it.
so. Oh my god!
Bubby took some of my slime and made it. See?
Get
I have slime. I have less. Bubby took some of mine and made it. Can I touch it?
So that's her slime, guys. That's so cool. My cousin's gonna make me more. That's kind of cool. How he
Can I
made
try
it.
this gummy?
Yeah, you can have it. If you like it. It tastes like pee.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go get a drink.